Day 2 from zero to WordPress Hero Challenge, and today I'll be talking about WordPress templates. For those of you who are following us, yesterday we talked about WordPress plugins, but today we're talking about WordPress templates and how you can customize them for your website. So what are templates? Templates are pre-made or pre-built websites which you can customize to your taste for your websites. So one of the best WordPress templates plugin that I use is called Starter Templates. So let me just install it so we can see how it goes. So Starter Templates is one of the best templates plugin that you can use to build or to customize your website. It has both free and paid templates which you can use for your site, and is very fast and has a lot of benefits, including pre-built blocks. If you don't want to that is another topic. I'm going to talk about that in another video, but I'm just going to summarize it here. So if you don't want to like build a blog or a section in your website, you can just install or import it from Starter Templates. So that's one of the benefits of Starter Templates. It's very easy, very fast, and very durable, and it also comes with Elementor, so built with, and they just created this new AI stuff on it, so you can also make use of AI, but I think that is paid. So this is Starter Templates, and these are the plugins that we have. So as you can see, there is premium and there is free. So this premium is paid. You have to pay for it before you can make use of it. So today I'm going to be installing for consultation. Let's see if they have a free template. They don't have a template for consultation. So let me see if I can use a professional consultants. This is one, but this is premium. I will have to pay for it. Let me see if I can find. Okay, this is finance and consulting. It's also premium. Okay, this is real estate consultants, so we can make use of this. Yes, business coaching and consulting. This is also free. We can make use of this. Let me see. Okay, I think those are the free ones that we can make use of. Every other consulting plugin is paid. So which one should I install? Let me see. Let me make use of this one. So you can preview it before you import it into your website. These are one of the benefits. So you don't just import what you don't need. So as you can see, this is a very nice template. Has the menu, have the logo, the header, the contact us section, and a lot more sections. This is a very good template. So if I don't like the color, I can easily change the color to something else. So as you can see, the color has changed, but I think this is still one of the best colors that we can use. So once you are done with these few rearrangements, you can easily click on continue, and then you can see all the plugins that will come with the templates. So you can just continue. You can skip this just and then submit and build my site. So once the template is once the loading is completed, it will automatically install the templates on the site. So you can, from there you can customize the site into your taste for your own personal website. You can remove everything that is there and then put in your own details. What this does is that it saves you time. You don't have to build from scratch and go through all the stress of you just starting to build sections and header and everything. This is pre-built, All you have to do is just change the details, change the words, change the logo, change the image, and you are done. Change the color and you are done. So now let's view the site. Sorry about that. So as you can see, the site is now installed on my domain. So if I want to like work on it, all I have to do is come to Elementor, edit with Elementor, and I can customize it. So that will be all about WordPress templates. If you want to build a site, you can easily make use of a template. Template helps you to cut the stress and the time. So within a day or two, you can actually complete a mini website, a landing page. You can complete within a day or two. If it has a very few functionality, you can complete it within a day or two. So this is what WordPress template does for you. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any other topic that you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comments. And if you also find the video interesting, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you, and see you on the next one.